Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a young painter named Liam. Liam loved colors, but he was afraid to show his art to anyone. Every day, he painted beautiful pictures of nature, people, and dreams. But when someone knocked on his door, he quickly hid his work. Hello, Liam. I heard you are a painter. Can you make a painting for my daughter's birthday? Liam hesitated. He wanted to say no, but something inside him whispered, take the chance. So he agreed. Days passed, and Liam worked hard. He painted with love, adding every detail carefully. When the painting was done, he stared at it, proud but nervous. Wow, is this for me? It's so beautiful. For the first time, Liam saw how his art could make people happy. He felt a new kind of joy, one he had never experienced before. From that day, Liam stopped hiding his paintings. He learned that fear is only as big as we let it be. And so, Liam's colors didn't just stay on the canvas, they spread joy and inspiration to everyone who saw them. Did you enjoy Liam's story? Share what inspires you in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning stories.